I do not have enough money for a Hydro e-brake setup, so today we're going to try and make an e-brake extension. I have a pull-up bar here, so I'm hoping that this is going to go over the factory handbrake, and it'll kind of give me more leverage to lock up the rear. We have a drift event coming up, so I'm going to try my best to get the e-brake working. Oh my god, alright. We did it. Alright, so that looks like a pretty good fit already. Oh my god, I'm getting so excited for this. Alright, so with a couple whacks of a hammer, we got this bent. I know it's not the prettiest, but trust me, I'm gonna hit it with a coat of paint. So I'm gonna leave this button in here. I'm actually going to electrical tape it just for some extra reassurance. But here's how it fits. So basically, if you look at the opening, it kind of tapers off and closes off at the end, right? So I'm relying on that to push to keep the e-brake held down. Now, when I slot this over, not only does it keep the e-brake in place, but it stays in there pretty good, even with just a pressure fit. Alright, how do you guys feel about Peekaboo Blue? It's the most interesting color I have other than black. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, and there we have it. Budget e-brake extension on the cheap. You don't need tons of money. You don't need tons of time. If you want an e-brake extension, you can literally do it in 30 minutes with stuff that you have lying around the house. This pull-up bar, like, you don't even have to use a pull-up bar. You can find like any circular piece of metal to stick over the handbrake. I can revert it back to normal if I want. I still have all the parts. Yeah, there you go. It didn't cost me anything. It took literally 30 minutes, and I'm ready to go to the track and rip the hell out of this thing so that I'll actually have an e-brake. I wouldn't say it's like essential in a drift car, but it's very, very useful because it's like, I was able to link the track without using the e-brake and just using clutch and weight transfer and all that, but I think the e-brake will give me more room for error and I'll be able to link the track more consistently. It also gives me some safety, like if I want to extend my drift, if I'm like going in too shallow. But yeah, it's not my proudest work, but it's kind of hilarious. Like, I kind of love it in that sense. Same thing with my horn over here. I kind of have an external horn button. It's just kind of silly. I kind of love it because it gives the car a bit of character. Yeah, I'm excited to test this thing out.